You can purchase apps from the App Store, or you can make purchases within the app itself. But did you know that you can make money by using apps to accomplish things like watching television, working out, downloading other applications, or even something as basic as shooting pictures? In this video, we are going to talk about 10 apps that pay you real money. But before we continue, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further updates. Check out the top money-making opportunities with phones that you were previously unaware of. Start making money by putting the apps you think will work for you through their paces. Making money online in the year 2022 is simpler than it has ever been. You may quickly and easily download and install money-making apps for Android and iPhones using your mobile device, and you can then begin earning additional income by making use of your spare time. You can earn money with the mobile websites and applications on this list by performing a variety of chores, such as playing games, delivering food, shopping online and in stores, taking surveys, exercising, pet sitting, working freelance jobs, and browsing the internet. Continue watching to find out more about some of the highest paying applications that are currently accessible. Number 10. DoorDash. DoorDash is a meal delivery app that is available in both the United States and Canada. It meets the criteria for a side hustle app because it allows users to earn money while acting as their own boss. When you deliver food and restaurant orders to people in your neighborhood, you have the potential to earn up to $20 per hour. How it functions: put in your application to become a driver for DoorDash Dasher. You can use the app to indicate when you are available, and then you can deliver orders using your own vehicle, a scooter, or a bicycle. Your earnings include not just your base pay but also any promotions and tips you receive. To be considered for a position as Dasher, you must be at least 18 years old. You also have the option of researching different food delivery professions. Number 9. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie will pay you for your feedback on a variety of goods and services that are provided by a variety of brands and businesses. This company that conducts market research has more than 10 million members. Signing up for a free account and filling out your profile is the first step in using this service. You will be sent invitations to complete surveys that are tailored to your demographic information and hobbies, and for each survey you do, you will earn points that may be redeemed for cash through PayPal or for one of hundreds of gift cards. Number 8. Drop. Ibotta and Checkout 51 are two apps that are comparable to Drop, which is a cashback app. This free software has more than 4 million users, and it rewards you for buying at the stores that carry your preferred brands. Sign up for a free account with Drop and link your bank card to your account to get started. When you make purchases at participating stores, you will earn points that may be put toward the purchase of free gift cards. Users also get points by participating in games and surveys and earning those points. This Drop review will provide you with additional information regarding the software. Number 7. Rover. Love dogs? Now is the time to start earning money by offering dog walking and pet sitting services. You can make extra money in your spare time by using the Rover app, which is a side gig app. This is how it works: first, you sign up to become a sitter, then you choose your availability and rates, and last, you list the services that you offer. Your services are covered by insurance for up to $1 million thanks to Rover.com. On Rover, some of the services you can provide include boarding for dogs, strolling for dogs, daycare for dogs, and homesitting. Dog walkers can get up to $20 for every 30-minute walk they take dogs on. Number 6. Skillz Mobile Games. You have the potential to make some substantial money through Skillz games in the United States if you enjoy participating in online gaming. The website serves up millions of games on a daily basis and hands out more than $100 million in prizes on a monthly basis. Number 5. Mistplay. The Mistplay app for Android is a gamer's best friend because it pays you to play. More than 10 million people have downloaded it, and approximately $9 million worth of prizes have been distributed to players. Download the software from the Google Play Store, and then you may immediately begin playing games on your device. During gameplay, you will collect units, also known as points, which may then be redeemed for a variety of gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, Visa prepaid cards, and others. Number 4. InboxDollars. A leading rewards website, InboxDollars is comparable to Swagbucks in many ways. It has given out more than $59 million in cash to its members, who number in the millions. How it functions: create a profile for yourself after registering for a free account. Taking paid surveys, watching movies, playing games, reading emails, shopping online, and redeeming coupons can all earn you cash rewards. You have the option of cashing out your winnings by PayPal, paper checks, or gift cards. This InboxDollars review will provide you with additional information regarding the website. Number 3. Sweatcoin, SWEAC. Walking and other forms of exercise will earn you rewards with this fitness app. You can work out to earn Sweatcoins, which can then be redeemed for a variety of goods and services, such as yoga sessions, as well as cash. In addition, you have the option of donating your Sweatcoins to a good cause. Signing up for Sweatcoin is the first step in using it. Your steps are converted into Sweatcoins using the following formula: 1,000 steps equals 0.95 Sweatcoins. When you activate the app at a specified time period when you are most active, you will earn double the coins and have the opportunity to increase the amount of money you earn. Additionally, the app makes it possible for you to earn 5 Sweatcoins for each recommendation you make and is available in a number of countries. Number 2. Swagbucks. Earning extra money on the internet has never been easier than it is with Swagbucks, the premier get paid to GPT website. Over the course of its existence, the website has distributed hundreds of millions of dollars, over $690 million at the time of this update in 2022, to its registered users. How it functions: create an account with us for free. You can earn points by taking part in activities such as filling out surveys, playing games, viewing video advertisements, surfing the internet, and making purchases online. You have the option to pay out your points using PayPal or redeem them for gift cards. Number 1. Rakuten. Rakuten is one of the greatest cashback apps because it pays you to do what you are currently doing, which makes it one of the top apps for generating passive income. When you use Rakuten to make an online purchase at your preferred retailer, such as Walmart, Macy's, or Sephora, you are eligible to receive cash back of up to 40% of the transaction price. The way it operates is as follows: first, you sign up for Rakuten. Then, if you want to make a purchase online, you visit Rakuten and click on the link for your preferred merchant. Your cashback is recorded and transferred to your account in an automated manner. Which app are you going to join? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.